Okay, this is a little hack that I'm going to do. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it. I saw the other day somebody potting plants and putting plastic bottles in the bottom to so there's no weight to it, but it adds depth, so the plants can actually grow. You don't use as much soil, etc. So what I'm going to do is use, because I'm potting a peace lily from one pot to another, it's just a temporary transfer because it needs to transfer properly later to a bigger pot. But I'm going to use these, not dirty cigarettes, no. I'm going to use these, and these are containers from dog food. Now, if I put them here, obviously they're just going to fall on top of each other. But what I'll do is just cross over it like that, and all it will do is add some ballast to let the drainage work, and at the same time it will be very light because they're aluminium, they're exceedingly light. And there you go, it's now half full. I can put some soil in on top of that, so let's get the soil. There we have some nice John Innes multi-purpose compost, I think it is, from Westland, not John Innes. John Innes. Oh, now it's all over the floor as well, so there's a mistake. That's always handy. So I guess we're using it off the floor today. Get my trowel. I'll only get in trouble for this later, but don't worry about it. So as you can see, we'll put soil in. Bring that bit up. Nice, break it up a bit. Breaky part. Put that in. Oh, that one's come out. Let's get rid of that one. That one obviously. We're going to make sure we've got space in the middle. Lay you on the table like that so you can see what we're doing. Take our beautiful potted plant. This is peace lily, as you can see. Still got the label with it, so keep hold of that. And then I'm just going to tip this upside down, hopefully. It's very wet, it's been in some water, so it should easily come out. As you can see, we're just going to tease some roots out of it. It is very wet, and then we're going to put it in and push it down a bit. Break the soil up around the top, and then just use this lovely mulch here to pot it properly. Give it some nice soil to grow in.